Good morning, third graders. It's a video within a video of how to turn in this spelling test. So get out a piece of paper and get ready. Watch the video. You will hear me giving you instructions about the test. Submit by taking a picture and using the file upload tab. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Bonus point if you can write one of your words in a sentence using the correct meaning. I can't wait to see your handwritten work, but do not worry if your handwriting is sloppy. Practicing is the only way to get better. So I'm going to show you how to write your words today. And yes, I know that means I'm giving you the answers, but I want you to feel confident about turning in some handwritten work today. So let's get started. I noticed for number 4, Mrs. Miller said for a bonus point, if you can write one of your words in a sentence using the correct meaning. I'll choose the word sun. I, capital I, that's the beginning of a sentence, hope the sun comes. I'm going to put this word O-U-T, period, at the end. Now I'm ready to submit. To submit, click Start Assignment. So to submit my assignment, I need to either upload a file or use my webcam. So you could like snap a picture of this on your phone and send it by email, or just use the webcam feature here. Click Use Webcam. And since my other camera is being used right now to record this video, I chose my other camera. I'm on the media, but you could also do file upload. So I want to make sure Mrs. Miller can see all of my work. Then click Finish and Save. Then once it's ready, click submit. That will send your spelling test to me. Yay! Thanks, kiddos. Let me know if you have any questions. I can't wait to see your handwritten work.